Hey curlies, it has been cold for months. Let's be real. So if your scalp finally has caught up with you and it's feeling like itchy or tight or flaky, you might be dealing with a dry scalp. But don't worry, I have the perfect fix for you today. Plus, I'm definitely going to be breaking down the difference between dry scalp and dandruff because most people see their dry scalp and think that it's dandruff. So you'll know exactly how to treat these things. So let's just get into it. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Barbie, I'm a curl coach, and I've been helping curlies love, understand, and style their natural texture since 2020. I've been doing this through videos just like this and my curly hair subscription called Curls Monthly, where each month you get 5 products sent to you, starting at just $28, and you can literally customize and choose from over, I think we have almost about 200 products. So you can just customize it to fit your curl goals, which is really cool. So if you're ready to simplify your routine and discover products and get your hand held, because we have lots of curl coaching included with the subscription, definitely check out Curls Monthly. I will link my brand below. So as I promised, let's break down dry scalp versus dandruff, because there's often a miscommunication with these topics. And because you also might be thinking that they're interchangeable, but they are not indeed interchangeable. They're very different and they're treated in very different ways. So let's break down the causes of dandruff versus dry scalp. Dandruff is actually caused by an overgrowth of yeast. It's like a fungus basically. Dry scalp is caused by a lack of moisture, sometimes harsh shampoos, cold weather, or just overall dehydration. So technically they're 2 completely different things, because what did I just say? The dandruff is caused by yeast, fungus. It's almost basically too much oil on your scalp. Dry scalp is the polar opposite. It's dry, it's dehydrated, there's not oil. So they are 2 polar opposite things. So what do they look like? Dandruff typically appears as larger, maybe more yellowy in color flakes that stick to your hair and scalp. Dry scalp appears as small, tiny white flakes, like little snowflakes. They look very different. I'll throw some images up on the screen so you can see, because again, they are 2 completely different things. I wanna say 80% of the time, the people who are in my inbox telling me that they have dandruff actually just have dry scalp. So they're using the dandruff shampoos and not seeing any change, and that's because the dandruff shampoos are drying out your scalp more. So that's not what you want. Let's talk about itch. Dandruff usually has a lot of itch associated with it, and it will worsen kind of as you itch it because your fingers have oil on it and it adds oil that almost feeds the yeast. Where dry scalp will have a little bit of an itch here and there, but you're not itching it all day long chronically. And a lot of times you'll feel that more dryness randomly in the cold, or a lot of times I'll feel it kind of longer in my wash week, throughout the, if I have to shampoo, I'll feel it a little bit before I shampoo because it's so dry. Let's also break down the oiliness factor between the 2. Dandruff will typically make your scalp have a oily, greasy appearance. Dry scalp is usually tight, dry, and not oily. The treatment for them is also very different. Dandruff is going to need medicated shampoo. So whether it's over the counter or a prescription, it's going to need a shampoo with active ingredients that can break down the yeast and the fungus grown on your scalp. Dry scalp needs hydration. So it needs the opposite things. It needs to be fed. Dandruff almost needs to be starved, and dry scalp almost needs to be fed. It needs to be fed hydration. So here's why hydration matters for your dry scalp. A hydrated scalp is specifically crucial for curly or textured hair because it helps the oil travel down from roots to ends. Literally the reason why dry hair is often, typically associated with textured hair is because literally physically just gravity can't get all the way down because our curls are looping around each other. So the more dry your scalp is, the less it can moisturize your hair. And obviously that moisture helps reduce frizz, prevent breakage, and just enhance your curl definition. So here is how you hydrate your scalp. 1, reduce how often you shampoo your hair. Obviously shampooing it all the time is going to strip it of its natural oils. So you are the type of person who definitely does not want to shampoo every day, although if you have curly hair, you shouldn't be doing that anyway. 2, you definitely want to also reduce heat styling because that also causes dehydration. 3, use products like oils or serums that are specifically formulated for your scalp. This is crucial. I really love the featured product of today, which is the Jupiter Dry Scalp Care Renewing Scalp Moisturizer. This full-size product actually just entered Curls Monthly. So Curls Monthly subscribers, what up? And I'm really excited to break it down for you. So this is basically a preventative care for scalp health beyond the shower. So it's nothing to do with your shower. What I really love is Jupiter says to think about this just like it is a lip balm or a moisturizer. So like they encourage you to just keep it in your pocket, keep it in your bag, and use it as needed. This ultra potent scalp moisturizer is powered by their Moisture Rescue technology. It delivers lasting hydration and it fortifies your scalp's hair barrier. I'll show you how to use it in a second, but basically you apply it just like you would a moisturizer, but to your scalp. Fragrance-free, it's safe for color hair, it balances your scalp's pH, and it just moisturizes your parched, dry scalp. A full size of it, this size actually retails for $29, which is extra cool because Curls Monthly starts at just $28, so you can literally get this and 4 other products for less than just this alone. So of course, I'll also link just this product below so you can check it out on their website. The cool ingredients that this has: olive leaf extract, which has antimicrobial benefits, pre and probiotics, which is just amazing for skin health, so it supports your skin health, and glycerin, which is so good to maintain moisture. Now, I'm gonna just use this with you right now because it is so easy to use. It has this little applicator tip, so you can literally just apply it directly on the scalp and then massage it in with your fingertips, and literally just apply on the go anytime a spot treatment is necessary. So I'm just going to kind of dot it in an area on my scalp and then just use my fingertips to massage it in. And already my scalp feels so much better. It's just literally just like using chapstick, but for your scalp. And you can apply it all over or just apply it to the areas that feels a little bit more dry. And again, not only does this give you like that nice boost of, you know, hydration in the moment, but over time it helps your curls curl better. So there you have it. This is such a cool and unique product. I've never seen anything like it. Like I've never seen just like a curl product that like you keep with you like a lip balm. Like that's so cool. So you can apply it directly to your damp or dry scalp daily, and it's just such a game changer. My scalp feels great right now. Definitely drop your dry scalp questions in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.